Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're good, you're fine and healthy. And for today is another Get Ready With Me Scary Time edition. So we might have more than two videos. Let's see what will happen while I'm getting it ready. So let's dive in. Okay, here it is. Our story one is from Ate Dolores. Hi, Ate. This is her husband's story. So the story start. I'll go like this one. My brother and I were living in my sister's house in the Philippines. And there was a capre that lived in the tree. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what is capre, you can oh my god, this eyeshadow is so pigmented. You can check out my capre story that I tackled about the capre. So maybe I'll put it in my description down below. The capre living there was mischievous and would often play pranks like throwing things at people or tickling my brother when he'd try to go to sleep. One day, a friend of mine came over to visit and we hang out until midnight. When we left the house, the capre appeared in front of us, and it scared my friend so bad he ran off. The next day, my friend ran through the whole neighborhood telling everyone there was a capre living in our house. We decided to do something about it and painted our house color red. Because capre are said to hate the color red. The capre moved away to another tree farther away and never bothered us again. And that is our first story. Yay! So let me finish this blue shadow and then I'll be back for our story 2. Our story 2 for today is from my friend Vanessa, and she's in Canada. So, oh my goodness, I think I have to like putting glitters right now. So, her story. She sent me 2 stories. Thank you, Van. She's my friend from high school. She sent me 2 stories, and the first stories that I'm gonna tell you is it happened in the Philippines. Love it. Back in the Philippines, I had gone to a friend's house to hang out one night, but we didn't watch the time, and before we knew it, it was past midnight. This midnight, you can't be Cinderella. Just kidding. Oh, let me do my other eye, then I'll be back with the story. Okay. Ta-da! We are done with our eyes. So we are ready for face and thing. Why? Edit this love. So we are ready to go back to our story. So since it was so late, my friends named Bernard and Sherwin, Bernard, decided to walk me home safely. As we were walking, we came across an intersection not too far from the house. At the corner of the intersection sat a guardhouse, and I saw the door to the guardhouse open. Out of the guardhouse came a kid dressed in all white, and it spooked me a little bit. I turned to ask my friends if they had seen the kid too. But they were already spooked and turned to run away, leaving me by myself. I had to stop and laugh for a moment because I thought those guys were braver than me. I will too. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be my reaction too if that happened to me. So yeah, that is our second story for today. Let me finish my concealer, and then I will read the third story for today. I'll be back. So our third story is also from Vanessa, and it's not a long story, but it goes like this. When I was first moved to Canada, I was living with my sister, acting as a nanny to my niece, Safara. One day, we were hanging out in the living room, and I asked her if she wanted to play hide and seek. There was a giant couch in the living room, and I watched her hide behind the couch. Okay, we are almost done, and let me finish my eyes, and then I'll put my lipstick, and I'll be back with our stories. And this is our final look. Yay, we are done with our makeup. So let's finish our story. So I called out, Safara, Safara, I see you. Next thing I knew, I saw my niece coming down the stairs, and she said, Tita, Are you calling me? Shocked, I looked behind the couch when I saw her hide, and nothing was there. Yay! That is our 3 stories for today. Yay! If you have a scary story that you wanted to share, please message me message me on my Facebook page, which is Cherry's Beauty Stuff Facebook, and or you can email me at cherriesbeautystuff@gmail.com. Yes, I do have a Gmail now. And please send me your scary stories, because we are almost like I don't have any stories anymore. Well, I do have personal stories, but maybe, but I wanted to know yours. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe here in YouTube. And of course, don't forget, if you have Facebook, Instagram, share with your friends. So you never know, your friends have scary stories that they wanted to share. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for spending your weekends with me, or Monday, Sunday. I don't know what time I'm gonna upload this, because it's already late. But always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.